Hello there. I was looking for something to film some of the activities I do with my kids, like paddleboarding and stuff. And I looked at GoPros and I was just a bit put off by the pricing, a bit worried I was going to damage it or break it. So I invested £10 in this MiTec MiFocus 4K action camera. So it supposedly does 4K. It comes with a waterproof case, got built-in Wi-Fi so you can download stuff straight onto the app, and it comes with a selection of accessories. How bad could it be? Now, I've got some footage of the HD video. I haven't done any photos yet, but I have downloaded using the Wi-Fi, and it supposedly has image stabilization. Come back to that later. Wide angle lens, and it's got a 2-year warranty. 2-inch display. It supposedly does 90 minutes if you're doing 1080p, and it does do slow motion and time lapse. It doesn't come with a micro SD card, but I had one lying about from an old phone, so I've just put that in to get me started. When you open it up, it comes in 2 boxes. One has all the accessories, the other one has the camera inside its little waterproof case. So far, so good. Accessories wise, there's a handlebar mount, sticky pad, a normal mount for putting on a tripod, kind of standard stuff. So it has one button on the front for power and mode, charger and card go on the side, little screens on the back, there's an up and down button on the opposite side, and an OK button to select things, and a slot on the bottom for battery. So first outing, to test how it goes. Took it out paddle boarding. My initial concern was, if I drop it, will it float? So I put a little floaty keyring on it just in case. When I drop it in though, it floats by itself. Result. And first retrieval from the water, it still works. Fantastic. Audio recording is not great.
Okay, it's not warm. It's really not warm.
Picture quality's actually come out okay though. This was quite a dull looking day, so it'd probably be better on a nice bright day, but perfectly usable. And the slow mode works pretty well. Image stabilization though, I'm not convinced. So admittedly this was a small shivering hand holding this, but as you can see, it's not a very stable image. Overall then, it's usable but not brilliant, but for £10, bargain, and it doesn't matter if it breaks.